गौरचंद्राय राधिकायै सदायै कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय सर्वभक्ताय पंचकृष्णश्च कृपासिन्धुर्वैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत राधा श्रीवासि गौरभक्तवृंद हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। सर्वप्रथम मेरी बात करता हूँ। नित्य लीला वरिष्ठम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर शतकोटि श्रीमान भक्ति राम गोस्वामी महाराज एवं नित्य लीला वरिष्ठम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर शतकोटि भक्ति राम नारायण गोस्वामी महाराज के चरण कमलों में अनंत कटी सत्संग दंडवत ज्ञापन करता हूँ। तत्पश्चात नित्य लीला वरिष्ठम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर शतकोटि श्रीमान भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी महाराज एवं समस्त वैष्णव के चरण कमलों में मेरा यथार्थ नमस्कार हो। हम लोग श्री चैतन्य चरितामृत ग्रंथ से मध्य लीला 22 परिच्छेद हमें पता 22 का क्या अर्थ है। 22 का क्या है नहीं समझ में। चैतन्य चरितामृत 22 परिच्छेद द्वादश नहीं 22।
Hare Krishna. 22वां परिच्छेद. What is the meaning of Davins? Davins means 22nd. 22nd परिच्छेद. If it is 21, then it is Ekavinsha. Davins. Davin. So in Sanskrit it is said Davins. Dwadash means 12 and the Davins means 22. That's why. So we were hearing about Sanatana Shiksha. Swayam Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself. Target. So making the target of Sanatana Goswami Pad, he is giving the Shiksha about Avidya Tattva. Sambandh, Avidya and Prayojan. So Mahaprabhu is telling about Sambandh, Avidya or Prayojan to Sanatana Goswami Pad. There are 3 tattvas. Krishna Sambandh, Bhakti Avidya, and the Krishna Prem is the Prayojan. So what is our ultimate goal? So Krishna Prayojan is our ultimate goal. Can we change the angle? We can put this there and less there.
जिस प्रोसेस को करते हैं उसी का जो भक्ति का जाना है अविद्या है और इसी तरह करके जो हम प्राप्ति होता है इसके प्रयोजन कहा जाता है।
साधन भाव को लक्ष्य कर रहा है, भाव प्रेम को लक्ष्य कर रहा है। साधन भाव को लक्ष्य कर रहा है,
भाव भक्ति को लक्ष्य करता है, भाव भक्ति प्रेम भक्ति को लक्ष्य करता है।
प्रेम भक्ति जो है वही
हमारे प्रेम कहा जाता है। प्रेम भक्ति के द्वारा प्रेम भक्ति जो है इसमें कहा जाता है साधन भक्ति, भाव भक्ति और प्रेम भक्ति। चैतन्य महाप्रभु सनातन गोस्वामी पाद के द्वारा यह बता रहे हैं, क्या बता रहे हैं? संबंध अविधि और प्रेजेंट। संबंध क्या है? कृष्ण, कृष्ण के बारे में हमें जानना चाहिए। जैसे उन्होंने कहा कृष्ण तत्व के बारे में बताया गया पूर्व अध्याय में।
So targeting Sanatan Goswami path, Krishna is telling about Avidya Tattva. Krishna Prem.
और वही कृष्ण भक्ति हमारे हृदय में कैसे उत्पन्न हो, वो है
नहीं, उसमें नहीं जाएगा।
अविद्या तत्व है, भक्ति के अविद्या तत्व है।
So Bhakti is the Avidya Tattva.
क्योंकि भक्ति के द्वारा ही हम
अच्छा,
प्रेम प्राप्त करते हैं।
उसको उधर रख दो ना।
ये कहते हैं भक्ति रेव नयति, भक्ति रेव दर्शयति, भक्ति वासव घोष, भक्ति वासव पुरुष है। और भक्ति के सर्वत्र ये प्रशंसा है। कर्म ज्ञान योग आदि के द्वारा
So by the performing karma, jnana and yoga,
संपूर्ण रूप से भगवत प्राप्ति
we cannot attain the Bhagwan fully, completely.
नहीं, आंशिक रूप में
So,
पार्टली हम प्राप्त कर सकते हैं।
so in anshik form, in a little form, we can attain Bhagwan by performing karma, yoga and jnana.
उपाय है
So what is the,
भक्ति रेव नयति, भक्ति
how we can attain Bhagwan completely? So by the bhakti we can attain him completely.
भक्ति के द्वारा हम भगवान की जय पूर्ण रूप से दर्शन करते हैं।
So we can take the darshan of Bhagwan completely by performing bhakti.
भक्ति के द्वारा ही हम भगवान के दर्शन करते हैं।
We take the darshan of Bhagwan by performing bhakti. Adi Purisham Tamam Bhajan.
तमहं भजामि गोविन्दम् आदिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि। प्रेमांजन फिल्क भक्ति विलोचन, प्रेम रूपी अंजन आंखों में यदि लगा जाए,
So if we put the anjan in our eyes, so we can see, so we can see the entire. So who doesn't have the love in their eyes? Anjan means the kajal.
भक्ति विलोचन
Kajal. I don't know.
तब हम उसके भगवान के दर्शन करते हैं।
So if somebody doesn't have the love in their eyes, he cannot take the darshan of Bhagwan. But if somebody has the love in their eyes, he can see the Bhagwan. If you don't have love in your heart, so maybe Bhagwan can appear before us. We cannot take the darshan of him. We cannot visit him. We cannot see him. We cannot touch him. But
दर्शन और भगवत अनुभूति किससे होती है?
so how we can take the darshan and realize Bhagwan? Why the bhakti, performing bhakti?
संत सदैव हृदयेषु विलपन्ति। जो उच्च कोटि संत महात्मा
So there are many highest form of santas.
अपने हित कमल में
So they have manifested Bhagwan in their heart. They can always visit it, take darshan of Bhagwan in their heart.
ऐसे अचिंत्य गुण स्वरूप भगवान
Bhagwan is Achintya Guna Swarupa.
इसके दिव्य सुंदर से विग्रह
There is a beautiful transcendental vigraha is there. It is manifested himself. This is called Swayambroop.
स्वयं रूप उसकी कहा जाता है।
What is Swayambroop?
दूसरे रूपों के द्वारा अपेक्षा नहीं करके स्वतः रूप में जो प्रकाशित होता है।
Who is manifested spontaneously. That is Swayambroop.
लघु भागवतम
In the Laghu Bhagavatam Granth,
ये समस्त वर्णन हो रहा
it is all described there. What is Swayambroop? What is Taditatmak Roop? What is Avesh?
है। स्वयं रूप के फिर
And after that,
स्वयं प्रकाश
Swayambroop, Swayam Prakash, Prarabh, Vaibhav. So all is showing there. There are many kinds of
विभाजन करके
discrimination, Vibhajan. The parts is there.
इसे स्वयं रूप में ब्रजेंद्र नंदन
So who is the Swayambroop form? The Brajenandan Shyam Sundar,
वो स्वयं रूप में सपस्पुत्र में कहाँ प्रकाश हो रहे हैं?
Golok Vrindavan.
द्विभुज मुरलीधर श्याम सुंदर
So he is Dvibhuj Murlidhar Shyam Sundar.
श्लोक में आ गए।
There is a श्लोक.
द्विभुज मुरलीधर श्याम सुंदर। वह जो ज्योति जिसको अद्वैतवादी व ब्रह्मवादी
So Adaitvadi and Brahmavadi appear. Think about this Jyoti, the Bindu.
सुंदर रूप धारण करके बैठे।
So he has taken form in
वो
that
ज्योति कुछ नहीं,
beautiful
वो
Jyoti.
सब उनकी
Jyoti is the effulgence, is the light of their of body.
वही अंगकांति को ब्रह्मवादी लोग
So thinking that this is Angakanti is Brahma or this is Bhagwan, but actually this is the effulgence, this is the light of Bhagwan.
कितने सुंदर इसे जैसे बंद करे द्विभुज मुरलीधर, ये द्विभुज मुरलीधर यही उनके जो है सहयोग।
So Dviju Muralidhar is his own form.
इस स्वयं रूप सदा
This is Swayambhu.
भजन गाना।
So he is always reside in this same form. This is the top. This is the topmost Madhurya
राधा जी के
is reflecting on with before Radhaji.
चंद्रावली के निकट भी नहीं,
It's not before Chandravali.
यहाँ तक भी ललिता विशाखा जी के पास भी
Even Lalita Vishaka and Adi Shakika,
सर्वोत्तम रूप में भी प्रकाशित हुई।
it's not
सर्वोत्तम रूप में कहाँ प्रकाशित
glorifying completely.
है?
In the topmost form is before the Radhaji, it's beside the
भगवान
Radhaji.
अपने स्वरूप माधुर्य के भक्त की स्नेह माधुर्य की तरफ प्रकाश करते हैं। जैसे जैसे भक्त
Bhagwan manifested himself or glorify himself before the topmost devotee, higher class devotee. So who is the highest class devotee? Radharani is the higher class devotee, highest topmost devotee. That's why he is glorifying himself fully, completely before Radharani. So that is his own roop, own swam, its complete form.
अंतर्ज्ञान परतत्व एक होते हुए परिणति
Bhagwan is one,
भक्त की प्रेम माधुर्य
but
के
according to the feelings or bhav of the devotees, he has manifested himself in different forms. So the same Krishna is appeared in the form of Narayan in the background because they are that kind of devotee, that class of devotees.
जैसे इसलिए कहे इस
That's why it is saying in the Brad Bhagavatam Granth,
वर्णन होके जा
it is describing there,
रहा है कुमार
Bhakkumar,
वैकुंठ से जब चले
when he moved from Vaikuntha to Ayodhya to Dwarka, Dwarka to Mathura. So when he was moving, so he is watching the form of Bhagwan because he is the parikar, because he is seeing the parikar accordingly. So according to the dham or parikar, he manifested him form. So Krishna is one, but he is manifesting himself in many forms. There is a one kind of money. So there are seven colors are there. There are seven colors are available there. So you will visit the color according to your eyesight. There are yellow, green, and blue. Many colors are there. The same in the same way. So Bhagwan manifested himself according to the Ras Madhurya of Bhagwan. In the Vaikuntha, how kind of Ras Bhagwan? That's Shant. हाँ शांत प्रधान रस. So in the Vaikuntha, how kind of ras, which kind ras of bhaktas there, devotees are there? So there are Shant Dasa, Shant Pradhan, and that's the second. The topmost is and the primary is Shant, and the secondary is Dasya. So they have a faith in their heart that he is my Prabhu. There is the one gun in the Shanta Bhav that he is my. There is a Nishtha that they have a deep faith that he is my Prabhu. He is Aptaram and Aptakam Sarvavyapi, omnipresent. He has this kinds of feelings in their heart. They don't eat, they don't sleep. But when Bhakt desires, so he accepts according to the desire of Bhakta. So that is called Seva. That's why Golok Vikshaksen, they are always residing in Golok, Vaikuntha. Garuna and Vikshaksen are available there. They are residing in Vaikuntha. And they are sitting so far from the Bhagwan. How Guruji is sitting there. It's like a Virasan when Prabhu will order me. And I will, when he will call me and I will go to him. And they have another feelings. And they have another feeling that Bhagwan is Aptaram and Aptakam.
ये है भावना।
They have this kinds of feeling.
सेवा स्वाभाविक रूप में उसकी सेवा की
So it is not, they have not the spontaneously general seva bhav in their heart,
बोलते हैं तो
tendency of service. When Bhagwan asks them, then they do.
आज जैसे उदाहरण दिया
Just like an example,
तो गजग्रह का उदाहरण
it's an example of Gajagraha.
जब डूबते जा रहे हैं
When Gaja was going into the water,
लीला कथा मिल जाना
you have seen, you maybe you know the katha of Gajgara, when there is a katha of Gajendra, Gaja or Graha,
कुंडी ग्राम में कुंडी गज
Gaj means Hathi, elephant. Hathi,
गज माने
Hathi. Gaj means elephant.
हाथी जब डूबते जा रहे
When he was going into the water,
हैं के संस्कार के अनुसार
so according to the previous impression,
पूरे भगवान की स्तुति आदि की
so he established the of Bhagwan,
भगवान
and he offered one lotus feet into the feet, lotus into the feet of Bhagwan.
वैकुंठ
So where in the background Bhagwan got this news. So what Bhagwan said,
वस्तु कहीं ना नीचे गिर जाए
so Bhagwan, if somebody is offering to me something, so it cannot be fall down. Bhagwan is saying in the Gita,
जो भक्त मुझे श्रद्धा से अपनी कहते हैं
so whatever the devotees offer me with the Shraddha, I will accept that.
पत्रम पुष्पम
Patram
जो में भक्ता
Prayachati.
भक्ति के साथ
So if somebody is offering me something, Patra Pushpa Phalam Toyam,
देते हैं उसके
with the bhakti, with the Shraddha, I will accept that. I will accept that.
ग्रहण करता खाता देता
I accept.
है असंधा है सक्सेस में लेता जो कहीं कहीं वो फूल मेरे जाने के कई जगह के लिए
So maybe if I have not reached there and the flower is fall down, that's why Bhagwan is saying to Guruji, hey Guruji, please go from here, because Bhakt is calling us and we have to be there.
तो गुरु जी क्या करे
So what Guruji did?
गुरु जी साथ ही साथ
So
देखो
instantly Guruji lead him on the back and they reached to the destination like or Gaja place.
उस पर
And when that flower was going to fall down on the ground, so Bhagwan before falling down has accept that.
गुरु जी ने सेवा कर रहे
So the Guruji, that kind of seva Guruji is doing there. So Bhagwan said to Guruji, Guruji, please come Guruji. So this is seva. This is a seva bhav.
यहाँ तक भी प्रहलाद महर्षि की ले
Even Prahlad Maharaj.
क्योंकि प्रहलाद महाराज की संतरस में भी ले गए
So even Prahlad Maharaj also has taken in the Shantaras.
कुछ आचार्य के भी यह स्थान इसमें लिखा है प्रहलाद महाराज भी
Some acharya showed that Prahlad Maharaj is also in the Shantaras.
निश्चिंतदेव जब प्रकट हुए
When Nrsimhadev appeared,
प्रहलाद महाराज निश्चिंतदेव के क्या सेवा किया
so what Prahlad Maharaj served to Nrsimhadev?
आप चित्रपट में देखोगे
Have you seen in the Chitrapada? He is offering one garland to Nrsimhadev. Maybe who have seen this Chitrapada, the picture.
फूल की माला कहाँ से आया
So where that flowers, the garlands came from.
वो तो हिरण्यकशिपु ने कहा प्रहलाद
Hiranyakashipu said, you are seeing Vishnu everywhere, so you always speak Vishnu, Vishnu. Where is Vishnu?
ने कहा इस खंबे में है
Prahlad ne. Prahlad said that
भक्त विदास
Hiranyakashipu in this pillar.
भक्त के वचन रख
So just keeping the words of Bhakta, Bhagwan appeared from the pillar.
फिर हिरण्यकशिपु के साथ उन्होंने वीर रस आस्वादन किया
And then with the Hiranyakashipu, they have aswadan, they have tasted the Veera ras,
निश्चिंतदेव
and they fight with Hiranyakashipu.
हिरण्यकशिपु के
At least they have tore the chest of
अच्छा प्रहलाद महाराज
Hiranyakashipu. And when Prahlad Maharaj offered the garland of flowers, have you seen the Chitrapat?
यदि कहते भगवान
Hare
यदि
Krishna.
कहो ये सब कुछ संभव है
If you see in the Chitrapat, if you say that anything is possible,
मानस में चढ़ा दिया
Mansik they have, mentally they have offered, Mansik Prahlad has offered the garland. We are not saying like this.
सेवा तब कहा जाता है
When,
बिना
what is seva?
जातना करते हैं उन्हें बिना बोले
Without,
सेवा
what is seva? Seva. If somebody is not saying, and then you are serving, you are according to the mental lip, according to the heart of that person, you are serving them. That is seva. Some people say does seva when somebody says,
सिर्फ वो वस्तु के हृदय के जानते
and when you another seva is when you know the heart of somebody and you are serving accordingly. That is seva. And the third one,
भी सेवा कर देते हैं।
And against, third one is seva, when you are serving against
अपने इष्ट देव की मंगल के लिए
for the auspiciousness of their Ishtadev,
उनके साथ मारपीट करके
you
झगड़ा करके
maybe you can fight with them and then you are serving in that case. That is also a service. That is the highest kind of seva.
हैं? आज मानिए
Hmm.
ये बहुत उत्तम तरीके
This
से
is the highest kind of seva.
हैं? ये नहीं
No,
आप
you have to do this or do that.
वो सेवा की ओर बच्चे और मैं बहुत उच्च कड़ी की हूँ।
This is the topmost higher class,
ये
highest class
कानून का
seva.
सेवा करते हैं।
Somebody is doing seva when somebody says, if somebody will bring water, then you are carrying water, taking
और ये
water.
जान करके
And somebody is saying maybe somebody is thirsty, so then they bring the water. So they have already prepared the water for them. So how they need the water, like which kind of water they need, hot or normal or cold. And third one is, and somebody is forcefully is giving water. Maybe you will be sick. That's why they are giving example like that, and they are providing water to the person. So this is the higher class service, highest.
आज इस सेवक की उसी प्रकार भी दिखा रहे हैं। चलो हम
So these all are the tendency of services.
उनके शांत रस के
So sometimes it's mentioned somewhere that Prahlad Maharaj is serving and according to Shant Bhav.
कथा में उनको उत्तम भागवत भी है।
But still we have accept him as Uttam Mahabhagavad. Prahlad Maharaj is not ordinary.
उससे उत्तम भागवत में भी है।
He is Uttam Bhagavad.
भगवान की जो नित्य परिकर
He is the Nitya Parikar of Bhagwan.
इसमें वैकुंठ आदि में जो सेवक आदि रहते हैं
So in the vacuum, what kind of sevak is residing there?
है कौन से प्रधान
Shant Pradhan, Dasya secondary. So they have the Shant
शांत प्रधान होता है।
primary and the secondary is Dasya. Shant means, what is Shant means? That he is my Prabhu and I am his dance. ज्ञानी अलग है.
जो भाव दिखला रहे हैं आप और जो ज्ञानी भक्तों ये
तो जो प्रधानमंत्री कौन से भक्त में दिए गए
ज्ञानी भक्तों में
वो क्या है
वो एक ही कैटेगरी के द्वारा
वो तो ज्ञानी का
Who is ज्ञानी? ज्ञानी
वहाँ पे जो भक्त है उसमें भी तो एक दिखला रहे हैं ना वो
देखो
look.
और भी जो विचार करे जैसे
If we take another views,
शांत भक्त में दिया
then Sanak Sandan Sanadi, they are all in the Shantaras.
है
ब्रज में शांत को क्या ले लिया
ब्रज में देखो वास्तव में देखा जाए विचार
In fact, if we think about a very little way, if we think or if we go on deep, there is no Shantadasa in Braja.
यदि हम सूक्ष्मादि सूक्ष्म
If we go deeper and deeper, according to Vishwanath Chakrabarti path, then there is no Shantaras in the Braja. What kind of all are worshipping in the Madhurya Ras there.
यहाँ तक कि ब्रज की जो धूल कणा अधिक है
Even the dust of the
सेवा में इतने लगते हैं
even the dust of the Braja, it's serving like that. They have a deeper.
क्या बोले
When Govind walk on the dust,
मुलायम हो जाए
so it becomes very soft, very soft. It's appeared. It seems like very hard. It seems like a stone, but it's if we go deep in a deep way, so actually it is serving Govind according to their mood. Like very, it becomes very soft.
अनेक प्रकार के विचार है
There are many kinds of views.
दृष्टिकोण से अपन दी
Eyes.
किस दृष्टिकोण से
So
विचार
according to the eyesight, so there are many kinds of views there. So somebody is saying that the the trees and the dust are serving according to the Shanta Bhava. But it's not true. We shouldn't carry only one view. So in the Vraj, everybody is serving Madhurya Bhava. So they think like that he is our Prabhu when they walk, when they are rolling on the ground, when they return back from the Gocharan Leela, after cow grazing. So how the dust is serving them? They are also serving them. So what kind of feelings they have? Just like Gopi is saying,
जड़ उदिच्छतां पक्षकीदृशम् अतिथि जड़ भवान अन्नी कामनम त्रुटि जुगायते स आम पश्यता कुटीर कुंडलम श्रीमुखं चते जड़ उदिच्छतां पक्षकीदृशम्। इस संदर्भ में
In this context, Acharya Pad is saying, if they are in Gopi Bhav, when Krishna was returning back after cow grazing,
और गायों की खूर से जो धूल उड़ा
so whatever the dust are coming from the hood of
वो धूल क्या है?
cows,
कृष्ण के मुख में
so when the dust, when dust covering the face of Krishna, so how they are serving?
कृष्ण के मुखमंडल के यदि मुख्य यदि पद्म के साथ विकसित पद्म
So if we compare Krishna's face with the lotus, so this lotus
वो
is
पद्म की क्या बनेगा वो
mud.
नहीं इसको कहते हैं वो क्या बोलते हैं
कीचड़।
केसर बन जाता है मानो
Okay,
कृष्ण
so
की
that dust becomes saffron of the lotus. So that dust is making the face of Krishna is so beautiful that it looks like it becomes like lotus saffron.
हम उसको चिंता नहीं करते
We are not thinking about it. We cannot think about that.
दृष्टिकोण से आप ले जाओ
So it is saying, so you will think according to your according to your level, according to your dishti, according to your sight. So some are normal views and some are highest toppest views. So generally, commonly people thinks like that.
ये शांतरस है
This is Shantaras and Dasarak. No. But actually, if we go to into deep, in the same Vishwanath Chakravarti is saying, in a deeper, if we go to deeper, then we will come to know what he want to say.
और कृष्ण सुंदर जो है और वो जो कृष्ण की जो बाल जो है घुंघरे वाले बाल जो है
And the Krishna's curly hair.
कृष्ण के मुखारविंद के कैसे ढक करके रखे हैं
So how they have covered the face of Krishna. And the Gopi are saying that he is looking like
भ्रमर जो है कृष्ण के
so these hairs are not looking like hair. They are looking that Brahmar are covering the face of Krishna and taking the taste of the flowers.
वो धूल में माधुर्य में सेवा करे नहीं करे
The dust are serving in the Madhurya roop. So when Krishna's Madhurya Bhav is glorifying, so they all are serving in the Madhurya Bhav. Or the sweetest ras of coming from Krishna. So that's why the dust is serving according to the Madhurya Bhav.
भावना कैसे
So it's all up to the Bhakta Bhav, devotee's Bhav. If you go to the brush, if we go into deeper and deepest, then we will come to that all are serving in the Madhurya Bhav of Krishna. Some are serving with Sakya Vatsalya and some are Bhav, Madhurya Bhav.
हमारे
Srila Sanatana Goswami Pad,
सखरस के श्लोक को माधुर्य रस में भी दक्षा करते
so they are expressing the Sakya Ras shlok in the Madhurya Bhav.
हैं कौन सा श्लोक है वो इत्थं सतां ब्रह्म सुखान भुक्तम दत्तं गतानां प्रदैव देन माया सितानां नरोदारकेन साधं नियुक्त पुण्य पुण्य ये आपको नरोदारकेन नर गोपी
Here Nar or Gopi,
दार ने उनके पत्नी
and Dar means her wife.
है देखो
His
कितने
wife.
सुंदर सखरस के श्लोक को
So how beautifully they are expressing the Sakya Ras shlok in the Madhurya Ras.
क्या मैं देखिए रसायन पढ़ो गुरुदेव यहाँ पर पाठ करते हैं
Gurudev used to give a lesson here when Brad Bhagavatam Vrata.
रसायन चैप्टर जो
So there was a Rasayan chapter.
एक श्लोक जो है वो हमारे
So
सनातन पुस्तक में पाठ
one by one shlok he was expressing every shlok. He was giving the beautiful explanation of every shlokas there.
जो जैसे अधिकारी है
So according to the adhikar of the people, a devotee,
शास्त्र में ये लिखा वो लिखा ठीक है
so we cannot forcefully explain to anybody that okay, this is writing. No. It's all people will take, devotee will take according to their adhikar.
इसमें पढ़ो इसमें ब्रज में जो से सभी
Madhurya Bhav. That's why in the Vraj everybody is serving in the Madhurya Bhav.
के धूल कला नहीं है
So these all are the common dust of the Vraja.
बोले सब गोपियों की चरण धूलि है।
Everything is not that ordinary dust. It is the charan dhuli. It's a charan lotus dust of gopis, and how they are serving Krishna very nicely. So the trees, from the trees, and everything is there, serving Krishna very nicely in the Madhurya Bhava. Hari Bol. Raghunath Das Goswami is saying, leave the dust. Even scorpions, snakes are serving the meeting and separation for Radha Krishna. All are serving for meeting and separation for Radha Krishna. Just like I am giving an example. These all are the very dear to Mukunda. So according to the Leela, they are not against for Leela. They are all for according. They are serving Anukula for Leela. They are for serving for Krishna only, not against for Krishna. What is the Anukula in Bhakti Thakur is saying? What is Anukula in Misra? It is Krishna's Vivas, as marriage is saying, is describing somewhere. So he is Anukula Krishna, Anukula in Krishna. Bhakti Thakur. अनुकूल कृष्ण So everything is in Braj working for Krishna only. They are not against for Krishna. Leela Anukulam means so nobody is against, everybody is for. There are two ways of serving of bhakti, service of bhakti. Anukul mein seva, there is, and Pratikul mein seva. But we shouldn't serve Pratikul mein seva, we should always serve Anukul mein seva. So all are serving for making pleasure, making happy for Radha Krishna. This is the very deepest philosophy, deepest thing. So Goswami Varga is showing this. Just like giving an example, Radhaji got man. When Radhaji left after man, Radhaji left Krishna. So Krishna tried so efforts to. He tried so efforts, but all got waste. But what happened? So what Krishna did? He was playing the flute even. Why Krishna plays the flute in the Braj? Because he wants to attract everybody. So there is no need to carry a flute in the Dwarika or Mathura. Everything is showing the Navrindavan Leela. Brad Bhagavatam. When Satyabhama was making little bit angriness towards Krishna, then what happened? Why Krishna has playing the flute in Braj? Because this is the Brahma's flute. Because breaking the man of Braj gopis, it is not easy to break the man of the gopis in the Braj. That's why he is carrying flute in his hand. Oh, what is the? When he was playing the flute, but it got waste too. And Radhaji, he doesn't break the man of Radhaji. That what Gurudev is saying in the lecture, that Radhaji, when Radhaji got man and she went away, so Krishna tried so many efforts, and when Radhaji was going away, and so what Krishna did, he started playing flute. He knew that it is the Amogha Astra. It is the Amogha. If I play that, then Radhaji will come to me. But what happened? So what Radhaji, when she was moving from here, she knows that Krishna will flute when Krishna is going to play flutes. So what she did, she got some cottons and put that in the ear of Radhaji. So Radhaji put the cotton in her ears. So she has put the cottons on their both ears. So there will be no sound go inside. So that's why what happened. So Krishna was flowing the when. So after hearing the flute, so she will get so much love towards Krishna. But what happened? So what happened when Krishna was started playing flute, and Radhaji has put it cotton. Radhaji put it cotton on their both ears, so she was not able to hear the sound of the flute, because the sound of the flute is very nice that and it can attract everybody. So Krishna knew that how can I attract in which tunes everyone's. So our Rupa Goswami Pad is describing there. Very nice stories are there. When Rupa Goswami Pad is describing all the things there, so in which kind of tune he has to attract which one, to whom. Bansi, Venu, Murli. There are different kinds of Bansi, Venu or Murli. There are many more because we don't have enough time. So we have the limited time. He can take according to the Yogamaya. Yogamaya always arrange everything for Krishna. So whatever the need is required, Yogamaya works accordingly. Who is Bhagwan? He is not this ordinary person. He can manage everything. So whatever he desires, everything will be possible that time. So Bhagwan, Yogamaya. So whatever Krishna desires, so Yogamaya arrange all that. Listen, don't break the katha. You can ask the questions. The time is going to over. So don't stop me. Let me finish the katha. So what Radhaji put it cotton in the ear, on the ears, so she was not able to hear the flute sound. And what Krishna is doing? So how Krishna break the man of Krishna Radhaji? If you will not break the man of Radhaji, so there is no meeting next time. What he has to do, if he wants to meet to Radhaji, then he has to break the man of the Radhaji. So what? Now the Vanshi got failed because Radhaji put it cotton on the ear. So now how they can take out the cotton from the ear? Because she has put it. So if she will not take out the cotton from the eyes, so she will not get the flute. And if because there is inside the cotton, so she cannot hear the flute. And if the flute sound will not go inside, so how Radhaji's man will be break. So Krishna was thinking like that. What can I do? Or this is the Ahituki man, but without reason she has got man. Now how she can take out this? So at that time, what Krishna did, he thinks about Yogamaya. He called the Yogamaya. He remembered the Yogamaya. Hey Radhaji, do something. And what happened? At the same time, what Yogamaya did, when Radhaji walking on the brush streets, this is called the Pakdandi. Very narrow. This is very narrow. So both sides they are thorns. Only one person can go. Neither you can go here or there. Only one person can go straight. This is very narrow now. When we go to England, so there is a very narrow street there. Only one car can go. If a second car is coming, then so one has to go backward from 100 meters, 50 meters, 500 meters. So this is very narrow, very narrow. गांव में तो बहुत. So this is called the Pakdandi. Very narrow street. And when Radhaji walking, so when Krishna remembered Radhaji, so what Yogamaya did? What happened? There was a snack scheme, very huge snack scheme there, 4-5 feet long. So Krishna Sarpa, hood, when he was. The eyes of the snakes were too red, and he was going hisses from before the Radhaji. And Radhaji was not able to go here and there. What she did, and the snakes he was
क्या करेंगे? कृष्ण
his hood
कृष्ण
was waving
महाभाव।
here and there. The snakes was waving his hood here and there. Then what Radha ji, Krishna or Radha ji said, oh Krishna, please save me, there is a long. And she hugged the Krishna.
आलिंगन कर दिया। राधा कृष्ण मिलन हुआ कि
And
नहीं
then
हुआ?
then
देखो, ये
Radha
बात
Krishna
में
meet each
प्रतिकूल
other or
दिखाई
not.
देता है। सांप प्रतिकूल होती है, पर भी
The
अनुकूल
serpent,
दिखा।
the snakes is pratikul, but still for the meeting for Radha Krishna he did pratikul, anukul work, anukul thing.
इंद्र से जो श्लोक मैंने बता दिए, ब्रजविलास तक की जो है, जब किंचित तेरा गुरुमा कट मुखम गुस्ते समस्ती तक सर्वा आनंदमय लीलानुकूल, लीला के अनुकूल कर दी।
So they, so Sarp did the work according to the Leela of Radha Krishna. So what Krishna's fruit didn't do, was unable to do, so that snakes did. So that snakes did the work, then Radha Krishna meet each other. So everything in the Braj are working for Radha Krishna meeting, and they are always engaged. If they are just engage themselves in the meeting of Radha Krishna, that is a Madhurya Bhav Leela. And where there is pratikul, the against service, this is called, this is also actually pratikul, anikul. Gurudev used to give an example like Radha ji is going.
राधा जी कृष्ण के साथ मिलने के लिए जा रहे हैं।
Radha is going for meeting Krishna. It was dark night.
घना रात्रि में क्या है?
What happened in the night? There is too much darkness there.
और उस अंधकार रात्रि में राधा जी चल रही है।
And that night Radha is walking. There are two kinds of avisar, Krishna Pakshi avisar and Krishna Pakshi or Shukla Pakshi avisar.
कृष्ण पक्ष अभिसार में होता है राधा जी।
So in the Krishna Pakshi avisar where Radha ji was going
सखी के साथ
with his sakhis, with her sakhis, so there is a dark night is there. No one can see anything. Hey Sakhi, Sakhi don't laugh.
यही बातचीत करती कि तुम हंस दिया, बोले राधा जी के दंत पक्की जो रात है, ऐसे मानो एक ही साथ में हजारों चंद्रमा उदित हो जाए।
So Sakhi is saying to Radha ji, Sakhi saying to another Sakhi, hey Sakhi, please don't say like this. Maybe Radha ji can laugh, and if Radha ji laugh, then all the when the brightness of her teeth will glorify everything. It will be too much light there than like 100 moons.
ये जो है दांत के ये लाल लाल
Masude.
और ऐसे लगेगा,
So it will, the gums will be like, oh my Arun Varna.
एक ही समय मानो नवीन चंद्रमा उदित हो रहे हैं।
So it will appear like that many moons are available at the time when Radha ji will laugh.
एक एक करके वर्णन हो रहे हैं। मैं क्या
Everything is described one by one there. How can I
ये
describe?
चंद्रमा एक ही साथ में मानो
That-
राधा जी के एक ही जो कितने दंत राजी होता है।
So at the same time,
32 दांत होते हैं ना।
there are
तो लोग
32
उस दांत से
teeth.
कुछ दांत तो निकालते हैं।
When she will laugh, there maybe some teeth were show. So it will like that many moons are available there. There is too much light there at that time.
लाल लाल आभा जो पूर्ण चंद्रमा जैसे पहली जो उदित होता है,
So it will seem like the reddish moons. So it will seems like that there are many moons are available there in the dark night. So that's why Sakhi is saying to another Sakhi, there are many kinds of lessons there. That's why Sakhi is saying, Radha ji, please don't laugh. When Sakhis are going and walking and talking, they are saying, please don't laugh, don't laugh. Maybe.
और भी ज्यादा दिखाई पड़ता है।
So in the darkness, if there is light, so everybody can see there.
अच्छा चलो राधा जी चल
Yes,
रही
when
है।
Radha is walking,
और उसमें वर्णन हो रहा है।
and it's what describing there, Avisar Radhika.
नहीं वो तो है। नहीं वो तो क्या बोले, इसको विचार कर लेते हैं। मधुर निशान।
Mother, this is Avisar.
शुक्ल पक्षीय
This is Shukla Pakshi Avisar. I am Krishna Pakshi Avisar. I am telling about the Krishna Pakshi Avisar.
है बहुत सुंदर है।
This is a very nice shloka.
कृष्ण पक्ष विचार के लिए।
I am taking the shloka of Krishna Pakshi Avisar. Krishna Pakshi Avisar. This is another thing.
महाराज जी का है।
Maharaj Singh is very nice, but I am talking about different thing. It was dark night, and that time lion, deer, many kinds of wild animals, and Vag tiger, he was roaring that time like this. And what is Vag that what kind of tiger is there? What is Vag? What is tiger? What is lion? They are all Yogamayas.
ऐसी लीला करें।
All are performing leelas by according to Yog Maya.
पुष्टि करते
So they are
हैं। उस जगह में
पुष्टि
जब
को क्या
जरूरत नहीं
बोलते
है,
हैं?
तथापि ये दिखाते हैं, नरवत लीला के दौरान ये राधा जी के अभिसार कैसे ये भी दिखाते हैं।
So they are all are taking part in the fulfilling of meeting of Shri Radha Krishna.
हम तो अधिकारी नहीं हैं,
So I am not the adhikari that I cannot tell. When you read the Granth, then you will get so much pleasure. Then by performing the Nam Kirtan, then you will think about that. You will remember.
वह अवस्था में कैसे अभिसार है और शुक्ल पक्ष में कैसे ज्योत्सना रात में
So they are both Paksh, Krishna Paksh and Shukla Paksh. So all are describing there. So some things, the things which seems like were against to the Leela, but still they are all are performing according to the Yog Maya and fulfilling their level according for the meeting of Radha Krishna. Sakhi are saying, oh Sakhi, look, there is a bag, and they fear, they feel so much afraid. So but if they won't see these kinds of animals, so they will not get the highest desires. So for increasing the utkanta, for the meeting level, meeting desire, so they are all the wild animals is working accordingly, according to Yog Maya, for meeting of Radha Krishna. Sometimes seems like very pratikul externally, but internally all are working for meeting of Radha Krishna. They all are working anukula accordingly. How Radha is so taking that desire in their heart, like fearing, and they are going to, all our Sakhis and Radha is going to meet Krishna, because when they will the toppest, highest utkanta in their heart, so there will be too much enjoyment in meeting. So there are many kinds of views there. So in this Braj, in fact, in the Nitya Golok Vrindavan Braj, there is no Shanta. No koi das hai, not all the Madhura is working there. So according to the sadhak, according to the level of the sadhaks, they thinks and seems like remember the past time of that. And Bhagwan manifests the bhav according to the Yog Maya of the sadhak. That's why Chandidas Vidyapati are describing in their Kirtan, describing all these things. Kancha Kalpavisha.